Hello everyone, today we will know the benefits of doing push-ups daily. Traditional push-ups are beneficial for building upper body strength. They work the triceps, pectoral muscles, and shoulders. When done with proper form, they can also strengthen the lower back and core by engaging, pulling in, the abdominal muscles. Push-ups are a fast and effective exercise for building strength. They can be done from virtually anywhere and don't require any equipment. Doing push-ups every day can be effective if you're looking for a consistent exercise routine to follow. You will likely notice gains in upper body strength if you do push-ups regularly. For the best results, continue to add variety to the types of push-ups you do. You can also follow a push-up challenge, where you gradually increase the number of push-ups each week. You can work up to doing 100 reps in 2 months. Are there any risks of doing push-ups daily? One risk of doing any exercise every day is that your body will no longer be challenged after a while. That increases your risk of plateauing, when you no longer gain the same benefits from your workout. This happens because your muscles adapt and improve their function when they are stressed, as they are when you're weightlifting or doing other exercises like push-ups, for example. So it's important to continue to challenge your muscles to improve your strength and physical fitness level. If you're going to do push-ups each day, having the correct form is also important. Doing push-ups without proper form can lead to an injury. For example, you may experience lower back or shoulder pain if you don't do push-ups properly. If push-ups are too difficult at first, modify the exercise. Do them on your knees or against a wall. If push-ups are too hard on your wrists or you have a former wrist injury, see a physical therapist before performing push-ups. They may recommend dolphin push-ups, which are done on your forearms instead of your hands, or knuckle push-ups as an alternative. Always check with your doctor before starting a new exercise routine. How to do a push-up? To perform a traditional push-up, start kneeling on an exercise mat or the floor and bring your feet together behind you. Bend forward to position yourself in a high plank, the top of a push-up position, with your palms flat on the mat, hands shoulder width apart, and with your fingers facing forward or hands turned slightly in. Your shoulders should be positioned over your hands. Your feet should be together behind you and your back should be flat. Keep your abs pulled in. Slowly lower your body toward the floor. Maintain a rigid torso and keep your head aligned with your spine. Don't let your low back sag or your hips hike upward. Continue to lower yourself until your chest or chin touches the ground. Your elbows may flare out during the downward movement. Press upward with your arms. Continue pressing until your arms are fully extended at your elbows and you're back in the plank, at the top of the push-up position. Repeat the downward movement. Start with 10 push-ups, or how many you can do with proper form, and work your way up as you build strength. Tips for proper form: when performing a push-up, keep your back straight and your core engaged. Your butt should be down, not lifted. Your body should form a straight line. Don't arch your back or let your body sag down. Ask a friend to make sure your form is correct. Also, keep your hands firmly rooted on the ground or on a mat so that your wrists are protected. If this is too difficult, start on your knees. How to start doing daily push-ups? Start performing push-ups every day by testing how many you can do at one time, or within 1 minute, with proper form. Slowly increase the number you perform each day, or every other day, to build up strength. If push-ups are too difficult at first or you're a beginner, start with modified push-ups on your knees or against a wall. Make it more challenging. Make push-ups more challenging by doing the following variations. For an additional challenge, you can also practice push-ups with your feet or hands on a medicine ball. Rolling push-up. Perform 1 traditional push-up. Lift left arm and roll into a side plank. After a few seconds, continue rolling, placing your left arm on the ground so you end up in a reverse plank. Lift right arm up and roll into a side plank on the other side. After a few seconds, continue rolling, placing your right hand on the ground so you end up back in a plank position. Start again with a triceps push-up and go in the opposite direction. Perform 5 to 10 repetitions to start. Focus on keeping continuous energy in your arms and shoulders and keep your hips lifted during the entire movement. Push-up with hip abduction. Begin in a high plank position with your arms out slightly wider than your shoulders. Lift your right leg off the floor and move it slightly further out than your hips, keeping it lifted throughout the entire exercise. Your foot should be flexed. Perform a push-up keeping your right leg off the ground. Perform 6 to 8 reps. Then lower your right leg and lift your left leg. Repeat the move. The bottom line: doing push-ups every day will help you gain upper body strength. But keep in mind you'll need to mix up the types of push-ups you're doing after a while to continue to challenge your muscles. If you want to try a push-up challenge to do the exercise daily or several times a week, try different types of push-ups. The variety will keep your muscles guessing and help you get more fit overall. Hope you have benefited from this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.